Alrighty, so I've got my drawing over here. And if I place a table at the minute, what it's going to do is it's going to pull this information from my reference that was used to create this view. So what we want to do is we want to create a new reference. So to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a view, and I'm going to tell it to use a new reference over here. So I'll put something down like that and say OK. You'll see that in my browser I now get this new reference over here. So what I can do is I can delete this view, keep the reference, and if I click on the reference and I say create a table, you'll see that the reference is now looking at this reference number 3. So just to have a look again, if I just click on table, it's going to automatically go and place a table based on whatever it sees. So the easiest way to do this is to click on that reference itself, choose a new table. You'll see it's choosing the reference for me, and then place this down. So the difference now is that this reference is giving me the view and this reference is the table. So I can now turn things off in my table. So if I just want to show the grip, so okay. Now I can put a balloon onto my view, select the grip. Okay, now that's number 3. So all I need to do now is renumber this. So I can go through and I can say renumber, choose number 3, it's going to become number 1. My table updates. If your chosen component was number 1, you could leave it as is, and you now have your table looking good and on the drawing as expected. Hope that helps.